Hey there, fellow travel agents. Welcome back to my channel where I like to share travel tips and strategies on how to help you transform your travel business. Today, we will discuss how to get your return on your investment from your email marketing efforts. We are going to take a look at Gary Vee's concept of jab, 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 right hook. So let's dive in and get to it. So I'm sure you're asking, who is Gary Vee and what does he have to do with email marketing? Essentially, Gary Vee is a author on marketing strategies who is telling us as a marketing professional that you need to lead by value-based marketing. His concept of jab, 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 right hook means send 3 value-based emails before sending the 4th email to which you will ask for the sale. But what kind of value should you offer? I've got some ideas, so let's check out some of my top ideas on how to do so. So, my first idea is that you can consider reposting content that you've already created, like blog posts, YouTube videos, social posts, or even a podcast episode. By doing this, you can save time and maintain consistency in your messaging. Okay, so my second idea is that if you don't have content already, don't be worried. You can still share value-based content, but share it from reputable sources. My top 4 go-to sources are Travel and Leisure, Coda Nest Traveler, Travel Weekly, and Travel Age West. Sharing articles, news clips, or tips from these sources will give added value to your clients, but also let them know that you are keeping in the know and staying knowledgeable from other reputable sources within your craft or niche. Now that we know what to share, let's break down the email recipe for success. First, for the first 3 emails, you are going to focus on providing value. For example, you could share a blog post on the best family resorts in this particular destination. You could also share a YouTube video on packing list or Amazon shopping haul for everything you need for travel. Or you could share an article from one of the other sources that we talked about, like Travel Age West or Travel and Leisure. Now, when you have all these together, you are building trust and credibility with your clients. Okay, now after offering the value in your first 3 emails, it's time for that right hook. It's time to ask for the sale. This could be a special promotion. It could be an exclusive offer, a limited time offer, or free flights or a free room upgrade. Anything that speaks to the language of value within your target audience or your niche. You have already established the trust and provided value in the first 3 emails, so your client should be more receptive to your sales pitch. And that's it. By following Gary Vee's concept of jab, 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 right hook, you can improve your marketing emails ROI by growing your travel business. Remember, you always lead with adding value first, then ask for the sale. Adding the value first allows you to establish the trust and positioning in authority with the messaging to your clients. Now it's time to get on out there, create some amazing email campaigns. And if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with fellow travel advisors so that they can find my channel. And you can also subscribe. It also helps. So thank you. And until next time, I'll be here and happy travels.